welcome back to my channel. I am Gillian and today's video is gonna be awesome because I am doing a what I eat in a day raw vegan video. I'm a 6-year raw vegan and I feel absolutely amazing, and I feel especially amazing lately. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I've been doing to feel so good. I love this lifestyle, so let's get right into it. Give this video a big thumbs up right now and make sure to subscribe if you don't already. I have so much great content coming, you guys, especially in the next couple weeks. I have a Dr. Morse interview. I have an interview with Joe Cross from the movie Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. And I have some amazing giveaways coming, you guys, and just so many amazing interviews and videos. And I want to let you guys know, before I get into this video, I wrote my first ebook. It was part of my recent juicing experience, and that's actually part of a huge thing going on right now, which is the plant-based bundle. And I have never been more excited about anything in my entire life, you guys. With this bundle, you get over 200 ebooks, courses, transition programs. It's like recipe books, transitions, everything you can think of relating to raw vegan, vegan, or plant-based. The value is $8,600 when you add up everyone's ebook and all the content and everything in it, and it's going for $50. It sounds crazy, it sounds like it's some sort of scam, but if I'm putting my name behind it, it's not, and it's the most value ever for you guys. Only 10 days. So I will put the link down below, grab it. I know you won't regret it, and I'm so proud to put my name behind that. Some of the books in that personally changed my life on my raw journey, and I cannot recommend it enough. Let's get into what I've been having in a day lately. I recently did a 14-day juice cleanse and a 10-day juice cleanse, and they made me feel so incredible. Continuing on with that, I've been sort of just juicing through the morning and into the early afternoon, and then having one amazing meal in the afternoon and a little appetizer first. So I'll show you what I've been juicing. I've been starting every single day out with fresh coconut water. This is real coconut water. I do not notice the same effect when I buy them in the cans or in the cartons. These just have, like, oh my gosh, I think it's just what Mother Nature intended for our bodies, and there's nothing on earth that makes me feel better starting the day with coconut water. I get these by the case at Chinatown. They come in a case of 9, and they're so nice to me there, so shout out if you guys are watching, but I'm sure you're not. But they carry the cases for me, and they're so awesome. And then I just use this little tool, the Cocoa Jack. I got it years ago. It's like the best money I ever spent. And I know my neighbors love me hearing all these coconuts cracking, but it's so easy. I'll show you guys how I open them really quick. There you go, guys. If I can do it, you guys can do it, and it is worth ordering these. I will try link it down below. What I usually do is I crack a whole case at a time, and then I keep these jars in my fridge so that they're just right ready when I wake up, so I don't have to worry about it. And I just will strain like a huge batch like this at a time, and then they're all done, and it's great. And then I have my jar, and I drink them, and I'm good to go. After the coconut water, I have been having watermelon juice, and I'm gonna show you guys a watermelon juice hack if you haven't seen it already on my channel. It takes no time at all, and it is the fastest way to make watermelon juice without a juicer. Get your watermelon, cut it in half, cube it up. It's so easy. And if you can still get some right now, don't worry, my hands are clean. If you can still get some, then definitely do this. I'm gonna miss them when they go fully out of season, which they are right now, kind of, but. It's that easy to make watermelon juice, and look, you just go like this and strain it, and then it strains right through, and there you have your juice. I just love it because it's so easy, and it makes me feel amazing, and it's just so good for my skin, starting the day all hydrated like this. I feel like with juicing, as long as you're drinking enough and drinking a lot, you feel amazing. I think it's if you're not having enough calories, that's when you're like tired, moody, and not feeling so good. Look at that, you guys. How can you not want to drink that? Although I do, my mom doesn't like melons or melon juice, but I guess some people don't, but I love it. That's what I have next, like religiously every day, and this is just a secret, you guys. It's been making me feel amazing. And then my top secret green juice, which I will show you guys really quick. So this is my favorite green juice of all time. It makes me feel amazing. And I just got a new juicer, my Nama. I'm so excited about it. I absolutely love it. It's just like literally like the G-Wagon of juicers without like the G-Wagon price. It's really good. So if it's in your budget, I can't recommend it enough. And I will put my code down below if you guys want to save money on that for sure. What I love about this juicer is, and I'll show you my favorite green juice recipe, is you just put everything in, load it, and then leave it, and it makes you juice. It's freaking so nice and amazing. So it's romaine lettuce, celery, cucumber, zucchini, parsley, and lemon, and it's so good. And I mean, I don't have an exact science as to how much of each. You can't really mess it up. Don't take it too serious as long as you're drinking green juice. If you drink like one green juice a day, I can guarantee it'll change your life. And there's nothing that makes me feel better in life than green juice. I would say like green juice and Honeycrisp apples make me feel better than anything, so. So good and so healthy. After the juices lately, sometimes I have a little bit of an appetizer before my main meal, which I can't wait to show you guys. I've been loving these baby papayas. They are so freaking good. Look at that. I love papaya, you guys. I don't eat the seeds. I don't like the seeds. I know they're like very anti-parasitic and they're healthy and stuff, but these just make me feel so good. So I've been having those, a couple papayas or as many as I have that are ripe and ready. And then I've also been enjoying persimmons as long as they're ripe and ready. So these ones are way too hard. You need them to get like really soft, like so soft to the point where you're like, this is garbage, this is done, but it's not. And then I can't wait to show you guys the main meal that I'm absolutely obsessed with lately. I will go grab it and be right back. Here's my absolute favorite raw vegan meal ever lately. And big shout out to Wrap It Up Raw. This is not sponsored by them at all. They don't even know I'm doing this, but these are my favorite. And I buy them at my local grocery store and they are all raw. I don't know, some dehydrated raw foods don't make me feel amazing. This current little diet plan I'm doing lately of like the juicing, then the fruit, then the raw wraps, it makes me feel fantastic. And I stop eating, so I usually eat my wraps around 3 o'clock. So usually I'm done eating. I have one more thing sometimes after, which I'll show you. So I try to finish eating by 3 o'clock and do like some intermittent fasting, and it makes me feel so good. It makes me sleep better and I feel fantastic. And so yeah, so I have 3 of these. I'll show you what I put on them. These are almost done. So they're the wraps, and then we have some organic lettuce, some diced up cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes, and some red onion, and a little bit of alfalfa sprouts. And then I top these off with some fresh mustard. Guys, these are really good. I'm addicted. I get addicted to things and then eat them like every day for a while, and then I switch it up. And then I like a little bit of salt and pepper on top. I do use a little bit of iodized salt because I think it's important. Even though iodine is in my supplements, I think it's important to have just a little bit of extra iodine in the diet. It's very important. So we definitely have some there with the salt. And then I put on some pepper. And then those are done, you guys. Look at these. I'm gonna eat them off camera. I'm not gonna eat them in front of you guys because I make a huge mess, but they are freaking 10 out of 10 delicious. Hey, I wanted to just point out, look at this green juice that I made earlier in the video. What I love about that juicer is, look, like the juice doesn't separate. In my old juicer, it would be all separated and weird by now. It's crazy, it just doesn't separate. It's smoother juice and it tastes better. It's the weirdest thing, but I love it. Lately, if I'm still hungry after the wraps, again, I try to still stop eating around 3 o'clock. Some days I've been having this and some days I haven't. So some days I will just stop with the wraps. So I will show you what I put on this to make it taste super delicious. With an avocado, this is like one of my favorite snacks of all time. You cut it up and then you put on some cayenne pepper for that spice. If it's wintertime where you are, the cayenne pepper will have a naturally warming effect on your body. And then I put on a little bit of salt, sea salt of your choice. And if you don't consume salt, that is okay. Currently, I like salt. And then some lime juice. And there we have it. It is the perfect snack. It is so good and so satisfying to end the day with. So sometimes I have that, sometimes I don't. And this has been my current meal plan for what I eat in a day. I feel amazing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe because again, I have so many incredible videos coming. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.